So we're excited about today. We unveiled our first of 6 STEM centers here in Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. The STEM Center is a gift from Group 1001 and the Cal Ripken Foundation. It is comprised of materials that are STEM in nature. Students have the opportunity to program robots, engineer different marvels, build bridges, and things of that nature. They are able to create various types of problems and solve them in that particular STEM center with the materials that are presented. The real question we need to be asking students is what type of problems do they want to solve? Because we are creating opportunities for students for jobs that don't exist. We're preparing them for what's to come. So we're currently in the school choice lottery application window, and that opened November 27th. It will close December 29th. So families have the opportunity to sign up for school and to look at different types of magnet programs. Come check us out, www.cmschoice.org.